Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our assembly.
Please can we ask that before we begin, mobile phones and devices are switched off during the assembly. Recording of this assembly is already taken care of, so there's no need to worry about that.
However, we will be interacting with our audience, so don't stay comfortable for too long. This assembly may keep you on your toes. We hope you enjoy. These pictures give us a clue about the theme of today's assembly. I wonder what each one represents.
What concepts connect to these? Talk to the person near you about what they say and mean.
What pictures do you recognize? Why do you think this?
The old kids.
What pictures do you recognize? Why do you think this?
There are lots of people and they're all happy together.
What pictures do you recognize? Why do you think this?
Like they are friends in water picture and they're doing collecting something.
Isn't it wonderful that we have so many different nationalities within our school community to learn from each other?
So, what does diversity mean? We have been thinking about this together in our classes.
Diversity refers to the variety of differences that exist among people, groups, cultures, and communities.
It acknowledges that everyone is unique with different backgrounds, beliefs, and characteristics.
Diversity looks like a vibrant mix of students, teachers, staffs, and learning materials that reflect and celebrate the variety of backgrounds, identities, and experiences that exist in the world.
It involves creating an environment where everyone feels welcome, respected, and valued for who they are regardless of their differences.
Diversity includes a variety of languages spoken in the hallways, classrooms, and playgrounds. What languages do you speak on a day-to-day basis?
Diversity feels like belonging because when people from all backgrounds, identities, and experiences come together, everyone can find a place that they feel accepted for who they are.
Embrace and celebrate diversity here at Riverport, and this connects to a worldwide event we celebrate every year, World Children's Day.
World Children's Day is celebrated every year on the 20th of November.
It was established by the United Nations, or UN, in 1954, but the date was chosen to mark the anniversary of the Convention of the Rights of the Child, which was adopted by the UN General in 89.
The goal of World Children's Day is to raise awareness about children's rights and to promote actions to improve the lives of children around the world.
It's a day to remind us that every child, no matter where they live or what their background is, deserves to be treated with dignity, respect, respect, and care.
Children's rights are the fundamental freedoms and protections that every child should have.
These are the rights of the child, which is the most widely ratified human rights treaty in the world.
The right to education. Every child has the right to go to school and learn, regardless of where they're from, how much money their family has, or what language they speak.
The right to play. All children have the right to have fun, play, and engage in activities that help them grow in life. The right to safety and protection. Every child has the right to a safe environment free from violence.
The right to health. Children have the right to health care, clean water, nutritious food, and protection from diseases.
The right to speak up. Children have the right to express their opinions, and their views should be taken into account when decisions are made that affect their lives. The right to be respected. Every child has the right to be treated with respect, no matter their race, gender, religion, or background.
But wait, how does diversity link to World Children's Day?
Diversity and World Children's Day are deeply connected, as both emphasize the importance of respecting and valuing every child,
Regardless of their background, language, culture, ability, or identity.
أنا من غزة ونازحة إلى الجنوب.
na ninaandika kwenu kutoka Tanzania.
I'm writing you from Ohtirka, Ukraine.
Je vous ai un lieu où chaque enfant est aimé, un monde la paix brille, douce et réconfortante.
一个能让我们开开心心、健健康康的未来。
من حقنا إن نعيش بأمان ونبني مستقبل جميل.
Et donc à la sécurité, droit à l'éducation, droit à la protection.
A mí me preocupa mucho mi futuro. Hace poco hubo muchos incendios forestales y lamentablemente hay sequías. Ces années au Mali, les inondations au changement climatique ont affecté le démarrage de l'année scolaire. Nos villages une enfance normale. Kwenye jamii yangu, watoto wanaugua kila wakati. Kwa nini?
이주의 그냥 스베, 예베, 미베 소에 까진 동화의 단어로 간단히 샤라. I dream of a world filled with hope and possibilities for every child.
No solo para nuestra supervivencia, sino también para futuras generaciones.
J'aimerais que la couleur se transforme en éclat.
A world where there's no war and children can go to school, live happily, and have friends.
I will ask that you include us in decisions that will be made for our islands. أحلم بعالم يسمع فيه صوت كل طفل.
I have faith in your ability to create a better world for all of us.
Huu ndio mustakabali wangu. Je, unasikiliza? بأمل كبير ونيابة عن أطفال المستقبل.
Kindness is something we can all share, no matter where we come from or what language we speak.
Not all children around the world have access to the rights they deserve.
For instance, some girls aren't allowed to get an education, sing, or speak out loud in public.
Other children do not have access to clean water or food and are forced to live in awful conditions. Kindness is the language that everyone understands.
Let's promise to be kind to our friends, people from other places, and the whole world. Because with our this kindness is something that connects us all.
On World Children's Day, we remember that kindness makes the world a better place for everyone.
We would now like to share a dance with you linked to the themes we've discussed in today's assembly.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me.
I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I lost my mind. I don't care if you call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams in a world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build, every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there can make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I lost my mind. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Why is Children's Day so important?
Children's Day is vital because it highlights the rights and well-being of children worldwide.
It serves as a reminder of the importance of ensuring every child has access to quality education, healthcare, and a safe environment.
The day emphasizes the need to protect children from inequality and calls out for collective action to create a world where every child can thrive.
By celebrating this day, we reinforce our shared responsibility to create a brighter future for all children, regardless of their background or circumstances. Waking up to sunny skies, magic's in our laughter, hands up high and dreams that rise, every child's a master. Paint the world in colors bright, joy in every corner, every kid a shining light, heroes of the story. Let's celebrate, kids away, and every far away. This is how we'll make a way, it's National Children's Day.
have Mr. Moriarty who can work out how to business hero.